Before coming to San Diego, many people believe that the beach is right next to every neighborhood in San Diego, but unfortunately, that is just not the case, unless you are the owner of this house behind me. In fact, while I've been talking, I've been walking to the ocean, and I'm already in the sand. Welcome to 2740 Oceanfront Walk. Today, we are in South Mission Beach, right along the boardwalk. This 4-bedroom, 4.5-bath home is 2,924 square feet with unobstructed views of the beach. It's Cape Cod elegance meets the Pacific Ocean. The first floor of this home actually is the entrance to the garage and then 2 bedrooms and the laundry room on the bottom floor. Now, the first thing you'll notice when you get to the second level, which is the main living area, is they are hickory wooden floors, which are a lot more durable, they're a little more expensive. It's definitely good for a home that has a lot of traffic going through it. Other than that, we have this beautiful open space with high wood beam ceilings. The exposed beams tie everything together, adding warmth, texture, and a sense of character that makes the home stand out. But the real thing that everyone is so excited about in this house is that the main living area opens up completely to a spacious ocean view deck, giving you that seamless indoor-outdoor lifestyle. Just imagine hanging out with the family on this patio. And then we have this beautiful chef's kitchen, which has porcelain tile imported from Germany. Imagine sitting at this breakfast counter and looking out at the ocean, just right over there in the morning. How beautiful, how relaxing that would be. There seems to be a theme that you'll find throughout this house, and it's just these yellows and blues. The blue and yellow color scheme creates a comfortable, inviting atmosphere while complementing the home's beachside location. Is this 2 ovens? It is. It's 2 ovens. You're gonna bake a lot of pies with those 2 ovens. There's no excuses. You can bake all the pies you want. There's a bathroom for every bedroom in this house. This is the only bathroom that is not attached to a bedroom. This is the half bath of the 4.5 bathrooms we have here. As soon as you get to the 3rd floor, you'll find the reading nook, which is right in the hallway outside the master bedroom, next to the 2nd bedroom here. The 2nd bedroom on the 3rd floor, there's also a balcony. There are 3 balconies in this house. 2 of them which go out to the beach, and then this one goes out to Strandway in Mission Beach. This room also has a bathroom with a walk-in shower and a shoe rack inside the closet. There's a reading nook in the hallway which 12-year-old me would spend the most time reading my book on. It also has drawers on the bottom of it so you can store toys, books, whatever you want underneath there. Just imagine, this is the bed, this is where you sleep, and right now it's 6 p.m. But imagine the morning time. You wake up, you look out, and you see the ocean. You hear the sound of the ocean. You know how people have those sleep sound machines? You don't need one of those. Not in this house. And this is the view that you come out to. The breeze on your face. This is the dream. Thank you for joining me on this tour. As a reminder, I'm a licensed real estate agent, and you can find my contact information in the description below. I'll see you in the next video.